I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing a simple cipher and a key. You want something repeatable. Start with a Caesar or Vigner for learning because they show core concepts. Once chosen, clean the message, remove punctuation, normalize spaces, and decide on case handling. Next, write the key or shift number where you can see it. This prevents mistakes. Make sure to keep the key short and memorable, yet not trivial, so the example stays easy but meaningful for practice. You now apply the chosen method. For a Caesar, shift each letter. For Vigner, repeat the key and add letter values. Work left to right, writing the mapped letter beneath each original. This prevents transposition errors. Once done for a block, group output into consistent chunks for readability, 4 or 5 letters each. Make sure to document the intermediate mapping, because when you check results, you'll compare those steps. This also helps spot off-by-one shifts or missed characters. You finish by reversing the same process. Apply the inverse shift or subtract key values to each cipher letter. Do this slowly, comparing each output character to your original to ensure no errors. That verification step catches transcription mistakes. Once decrypted, restore punctuation and spacing to make the message readable. If things go wrong, recheck the key alignment first. Misaligned repetition is the most common error. Then confirm you use the correct direction for shifts before redoing the whole run.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.